When I came to the beach early hours of the morning, there was clear sky, sun is emerging, but there are plenty of rainy clouds. I completed my 90 minutes walk. Ladies and gentlemen, in my journey over 40 years, particularly in my professional career, what I have experienced is somebody giving me space to operate. And I realize this is something which is absolutely important for innovation and creativity. I remember in the 2013 or 12, I can't exactly remember, maybe 2013, under a World Bank project, I had the privilege of spending 2 weeks in Israel to understand the Israeli agriculture. We were taken to a Israeli agri support center which do a lot of research for the farmers. And we were shown how the seeds get blossom into a fruitful trees. Initially, the seed, the very fertile seeds, get into a small bucket or a small pot, and once they fill with the soil, surrounding the soil they put the desert stones, small desert stones, and the layer and layer, and in the middle you put the seed and put another layer of soil and equally spreading the desert stone up to the top. So we asked what was the reason for that. He said, is there any benefit the desert stones have upon the seed? He said, not really directly but indirectly. He said, desert stones spread like that gives an opportunity, main root, without any interruptions, or the room or the space to go deep. And the other sub-roots to spread equally, to absorb the nutrients and the minerals, the moisture of the soil greatly, so that ultimately when the plant grows into a tree, it has a most beneficial fruit to the people. Ladies and gentlemen, that showed to me I have to give space to people around me, for them to be operative in their skills and their abilities. I have to give space to my wife, my children, if I have subordinates, even if I have colleagues and superiors, anybody else. When you have to give space, you have to be tolerant. The tolerance is a quality which sometimes we don't have among human beings. We need to be very tolerating. Tolerance. We are intolerant sometimes, and that's why we get angry and say we don't give that space. We need to not to have any indifferences, to make sure there are certain limitations, certain boundaries. We have to set the boundaries. You cannot operate on a blurred boundary status. Once the boundaries are set, once the space is given, you must give the freedom and the liberty for people around you to operate, particularly in your family. If you are a husband, to your wife and children. If you are a wife, to your husband and children and your parents and people around you. We need to make sure that we have a tolerant spirit in us and remove the indifference, so that we would be nurturing innovation, creativity, enrichment, empowerment, and all that sustainability by giving space for people around us to operate and developing that most important quality of tolerance. When you give space, you have to have the tolerance and not to have any indifference and make early judgments without really seeing what's going to happen. Because when you plant the seed, you don't see what is happening inside between the seed and the soil. So you need to make sure that time is given for the seed to come out as a small plant, and that takes time and space. Ladies and gentlemen, when you give space, you have to be very tolerant and not to have any indifferences, to make sure there's a greater enrichment by your engagement, the people around you, because you have given space for them to operate.